Now, how to build and launch a SMS marketing campaign in Shopify.io. So first go to marketing, click emails, go to campaign and click new campaign, click blank and select the plain text editor. So here you can write your message but keep it under 160 characters for a single SMS. So then click send or schedule from contact. So you can select the contact list or smart list you wanted to send it to and preview. Then click send now or schedule for later.